Where are we headed? Heart family! I'm not gonna win husband of the year. But my wife asked, can we get another dog? And I say... No. Yes, dear.
No. You always say no.
I did say no, you're right. And then she says, the dog is gonna cost quite a bit of money. And I say, yes, dear.
Double no.
And finally, she tells me it's gonna be a 6-hour drive to pick up the dog. It says Savannah is 123 miles away.
That means we're getting close.
Nope. And I say, yes, dear. Happy wife, happy life. We're driving up to Statesboro, Georgia to pick up this dog from a breeder. They have 5 males and 5 females.
They've been playing all morning,
So we are gonna get a new male puppy. Tina put a deposit down a couple months ago. They've sent us some pictures of the 5 we can choose from, and we're gonna go meet them on Saturday. Statesboro is up by Savannah, Georgia, which we were just there in October, so we decided to make a little trip out of it. So we're staying tonight, Thursday and Friday going around town, and then Saturday picking up our new puppy. You girls excited?
Yeah.
You excited? Yeah. We're leaving Florida. We're here, Georgia. This is where we're staying. Guess what's right across the street? The cemetery. Where who? Where ghosts live? Yeah. Colonial Park Cemetery. Oh, there's a tomb right there. What do you guys think? You like it? Not bad. Little living room here with some chairs. Got a kitchen. Let's check out the bed. Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh, it has a bath. Oh, ow. There's a step there. It has a bathroom and a tub. Yay! That's what I'm talking about, right, B?
You can take a shower and take a tub.
Yep, at the same time.
But it's kind of dirty.
Oh, that's just from like a mat that used to be in there. Not bad. Plain Jane, but works for me. What the heck? This is like a whole other room. You want to sleep in here tonight, B?
Never.
Set you up on this little cot? You know what to do. Check out the jumpability. It's got good bounce. Whoa, that was a 360. Did you toot when you were spinning?
No.
Check out that bounce.
Oink, 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 yeah! Looking out the window and a human came by and I saw her have to cut and then she bathed.
Who came by?
A human.
A human?
We're bringing home a baby brother.
Bringing home a brand new cat for you.
No.
No. Maestro, we're getting a baby brother.
He looks depressed.
Looks like he's crying. We will see you soon, Maestro. We promise.
You girls ready to go pick out a puppy?
Yeah, but someone took the puppy.
Yeah, someone took Mommy's first choice. They were ahead of us in line, but we're number 2, so she's pretty sad right now.
Yeah, because maybe we don't want another human to get another one.
Yeah, we don't want another human to get another one.
Then they're gonna be all on and then we can get none of them.
Well, we have second pick. 18 hours and 24 minutes. Oh, it's on foot. 1 hour and 4 minutes. Here we go. Girls like. heading home with our Kuvasz. We are gonna name him Jasper after Sergeant William Jasper. A little Savannah dedication, even though we're in Statesboro, close enough to Savannah.
I think he's gonna go to bed on me. Yeah.
Okay.
2 months old today.
Oh, he's sleeping, girl. Shh. There he is. Here's your brother. Oh, good to see you, buddy. His tail's going crazy. He's eating. You're eating too.
No. They lost each other.
I don't know. We'll find out. Oh! Alright. Back home! Home sweet home, Jasper! Yep. Are you guys so happy? You love him? Maestro. It was a long journey, right? But well worth it. He's super cute. New family member.
With Jasper and Pippi
Yep.
and Pink and
Yeah. Yeah. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up.
And don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.
He sees himself in the mirror. He's nosing himself. Hey, you're on me.
What?
Yes. That's a 6-hour drive foot.
In a battle outside of Charleston called the Battle of Moultrie, we were losing. The British were probably going to take the day. The story is the regimental flag bearer was shot and the regimental flag fell to the ground. And even though we were losing, Jasper apparently dropped his gun, picked up the regimental flag and signaled for charge and started running across the field. And lo and behold, the rest of the troops followed him, leaving all the commanding officers behind the line saying, we didn't say charge. Luckily, they won the battle.